I am one of those people who simply cannot wrap my head around the videos showing how to prep 5 servings of the same breakfast, the same lunch, and the same dinner to eat every day. Don't get me wrong, I love leftovers and eat them often, but I like a different dinner every evening and the leftovers for lunch the next day. So, 2, maybe 3 times of eating the same meal. But, and there's a big but here, I could eat this meal for lunch every single day of the week and be so happy. I'm not gonna lie, there are a few different components to prep. We've got fluffy steamed brown rice, crispy seasoned sweet potatoes, the most amazing saucy, spicy, sweet honey harissa chicken, thinly sliced cucumbers, pickled red onions, avocado, a creamy harissa aioli, and a bunch of fresh herbs. But in my opinion, a component type of bowl meal like this is the perfect meal prep. The flavor is outrageous, and this meal is bursting with micronutrients and balanced with fiber, protein, and healthy fat to keep you full and satisfied. Recipe is on my website. This might just be your meal prep lunch solution next week. Incredible.